Hey guys, so right now I am currently on a trail ride with Gray. We're just being chill, relaxing. We just finished a really awesome practice. I can't say lesson because I wasn't really taught by somebody. Me and Gray just kind of did our own thing. We practiced, we worked on things. If you guys are wondering why I keep moving and then slowing down, it's because we're moving and then Gray stops to eat grass. And at this point, I'm just letting her because she really deserves it. She did so good today, and I'm really, really impressed with her and how she did. So yeah, that's why I decided to go on a trail ride, because I figured it'd be really nice and calming and some good bonding time between the both of us. And that's why I decided to vlog also, because I know it's been so long since my last video. I'm really having a hard time keeping up with my schedule, and I'm really, really, really trying to keep up with the schedule because I love filming videos and I love doing videos, especially vlogs. I don't know why, but vlogs are honestly my favorite to film. So that's why I'm filming this vlog right now, because it's been a long time since my last video, but I feel really bad that I haven't been uploading a lot and filming a lot. So that's why I'm uploading this video tomorrow. And I really hope you guys enjoy it. I'm not giving away any spoilers. You guys just have to go ahead and watch it. So be on the lookout for that. And if you guys are not already, don't forget to press that little bell button and subscribe. That way you guys can receive all my awesome videos. So that never hurts, honestly. I mean, my videos may not be awesome, but that may have been a lie. But there's something, and I don't know, I guess some people find them interesting. Just gonna show you guys the trail, and you guys can come along with us in my point of view. So I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I have no idea if you guys can even see me or not, but I'm back at the barn. I'm just heading to my trailer, so that's pretty much it right now. So yeah, right now I am just getting Grace food, so I'm gonna be feeding her right now. That's about it. I'll show you guys basically what I do to feed her and stuff. So basically we use Purina's strategy, and I will just show you guys basically what I do. So this is what it looks like. The oil, you see the oil in there, you see the carrots, you see the peppermints, and then when I go dump it in her stall and she goes to eat it, the peppermints and the carrots are on the bottom, so it's a nice little surprise when she gets to the bottom, and she really enjoys when I do that. Back up. Back up. She knows to back up. So I'll just be back when I'm done giving her her food, since it's really dark. So I just finished putting all my stuff away in the tack room, and in my trailer. And I didn't even tell you guys, but I recently got a trailer for my birthday. And so if you guys want to see like a trailer tour, let me know, and just like let me know down in the comments so I can do one, because I think that would be so much fun. But just let me know if you guys would be interested in seeing that. And also let me know if you guys want to see like what's in my tack box, I guess, because I have a bunch of stuff for Gray, and not all just tack, but just a bunch of stuff in general. So let me know if you guys will also want to see a video of that, because I keep some in the tack room. I keep half in the tack room, half in the trailer. So that just shows you how much stuff I have. So just let me know if you guys actually want to see that, because I would be more than happy to show you guys a video of that. And yeah, I think that's about it. So I will talk to you guys later. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. I'm sorry it was like short and didn't have much to it, but it was fun to film, like especially me with Gray on a trail ride. It was a lot of fun. So just let me know if you guys enjoyed this vlog down in the comments, and if you have any video requests at all, let me know down in the comments as well. I'm sorry if this vlog was too short or too long. I'm not exactly sure yet, but I feel like it's gonna be one or the other and not really in between. So by the way, that sound you hear in the background is like a little, I don't even know what it's called, but it's like a little creature. I don't know if you can even tell. See, it's like moving, that little thing. I think it's a little keat bird or something. I don't know, but it's super cute. So yeah, that's it, in case you were wondering what sound that was. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to thumbs up, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.